Well, the Polytech Logistic Insight solves all the major problems that are seen in the wind turbine industry with regards to logistics and planning the wind parks. Some of the challenges that we see is for new turbine parts that has been shipped all over the world from different locations to different locations, to know where it is and to know what state it is in. The other part is that many of these wind turbine parts, they use transportation equipment specially tailored for the wind turbine parts, like blades and like towers, and they are difficult to find out when can they be shipped back, or when can they be reused, or do we need to produce new ones in the market. So on an everyday level, it's split up into two things. One thing is to actually track and find out where is the equipment. So that is for the product management guys to know where the equipment is. When does it get there? Is it on time for the other contractors and so on? These projects tend to be quite large, and we have a lot of different stakeholders on board. So it can be difficult for the product managers or for the global logistics controllers to know where the equipment is. The other part is the transportation equipment. As we see nowadays with all these new projects, we see a lot of this transportation being new produced, and they sit on the park. For example, they are being shipped, and then they sit on the park for a long time, and it's a little bit of an unknown when they will leave and when will they come back. This leads actually to they need to produce a lot of equipment which is not necessary. Well, the logistics monitoring insight that we do here addresses everything in one solution. Where we actually with one login can see exactly where is the equipment at the moment, where is it being, in which direction is it going, is it on site, is it in use, so we can track whether the equipment, so the blades are in the equipment or not, thereby optimizing the whole value chain of the system.